Next, I'll be discussing the sea levels rising in Jakarta and other coastal cities. The threat in Jakarta, Indonesia, is one of rising sea levels and a sinking city. The rising sea levels have several factors that they would cause, the main ones being flooding, erosion, aquifer and soil contamination, and the loss of habitat for wildlife. This area is susceptible because of its closeness to the water. The increased volume of water in the sea will take place because of the ocean warming and therefore expanding. The increase of water will cause sea levels to rise, and these areas located near water will leave themselves vulnerable. Because of the expected increase in global temperatures of 1.5 degrees Celsius, sea levels are expected to rise anywhere from 1.7 feet to 3.2 feet by 2100. Storm surges with severe flooding are expected to occur. The ground has sunk 2.5 meters in less than a decade. Sea levels have simultaneously risen by 10 feet over the past 30 years. The impacts on the communities are far from ideal. Coastal cities that have not prepared for an increase in sea level will be hit the hardest. People will be displaced from their homes. All infrastructures will take a huge hit. Habitats will be destroyed, as well as farmland. Mass transit will be gone, and so on. Solutions are to prepare these coastal cities for the increase in sea level. Some of them have begun to do this by reducing their emissions, building seawalls, surge barriers, and manipulating urban design. If all else fails, the final solution would be to just evacuate these areas and relocate somewhere safer.